Okay, so just like I had hoped and predicted, yeah, I got my scarf on, I'm sorry. My hair is just not where it's supposed to be right now. So we just gonna excuse that. But all right, so I got this in the mail. This is actually a Fairyloot box. I had to open it to find that out. So apparently I guess it has to be reboxed. But so my thing is, what the heck happened to the original box? So this is my Fairyloot box. Yeah, janky, I know, but it is what it is. So because I was like, I got this in the mail the other day and I was like, what is this? Why is this here? I got it Thursday, and I didn't know what it was, so I had to open it to figure it out. So yeah, okay. So this is Fairyloot, and the theme for December is Thick as Thieves. And of course this is the spoiler card, so hopefully everything that's supposed to be in here is in here. We'll find out in a sec. Okay, so the first item in the box is a beautiful beanie inspired by The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien, which will keep you warm through the winter. Bilbo and his crew of dwarves are definitely thick as thieves. The beanie features artwork by Jiz Hawk and has many elements that link to the story. Let's see if I can get this to just hold up. Okay, there we go. Spoiler card with this, and so it's the hat, and it's a really cute hat, so that's what it is. Oh, I didn't even show you what it is inside. Ha 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 ha. And that is what the inside looks like. Very plain. But okay, so the next thing is, okay. Okay, so the next thing is this beautiful box. And this is, we're including the fourth and last secret box designed by Novrantail in this box. It's perfect for storing all of your trinkets and treasures, and it's inspired by a bunch of different fandoms with great friendships. Can you spot any of your favorites inside? Okay, so this is the other secret one. I have the third one at home, and this is what it looks like inside. Very cute. I don't know what I'm gonna put in it, but I know I'm gonna put something in it like I did the last one. So this is volume 4. I have volume 3, so now I just need 1 and 2. Okay. The next one is Sword of Truth. So never worry about opening your letters again now that you have a Demarius sword letter opener inspired by, okay, that's great, inspired by so this is inspired by Thorn of Glass by Sarah J. Maas and brought to you by Fairyloot. It even has all of the word marks. How awesome is that? So this is what it looks like. You can see those markings. Very cute. Oh yeah, open some letters, maybe stab some people. Maybe not. All right. So I might put this in my secret box. Okay, and the next thing is Okay. To keep track of all of your plans in 2021, we have included a gorgeous calendar featuring artwork by Dominique Wesson. The artwork is inspired by Thorn of Glass by Sarah J. Maas, A Darkest Shade of Magic by V.E. Schwab, The Gilded Wolves by Roshni Chokshi, Scythe by Neil Schusterman, Percy Jackson series by Rick Riordan, and Dance of Thieves by Mary E. Pearson. Let's see. So this is the front of the calendar, and then we have different pictures. Who's March? I wish I knew who that was, but okay. April, May, June, July, August, hold on. August, September, October, November, and here is December. Okay. Okay, and then the next thing is, don't forget to take don't forget any of your tasks with this handy notebook featuring artwork by Unicef.art. I'm sorry, I pronounced that incorrectly, which is inspired by Children of Blood and Bone by Tommy Adiami. So this is the name for the artwork somewhere. Hold on. Here it is, right here. You can see that. Bam, that's what it is, because I mispronounced it. Sorry. But yeah, so I guess I have to. So now, if I want to keep the backing on, which I do, I'm just gonna have to use a glue gun to glue it, and it would work just as good. Actually, it would reinforce the pad, so that would be even better. All right, and so then the next thing is one of our artwork. It says one of our favorite friendship groups is a crew from the Raven Cycle by Maggie Stravera. The magical art print is illustrated by at Saint Dry, and this is the picture. Cute. Oh, so that's Blue. That's really the only person that I really know from this. Okay, and then this month's tarot cards are the King and Queen of Swords. They are designed by the very talented Arts 28 and are inspired by House of Earth and Blood by Sarah J. Maas. The funny thing is that that series, House of Earth and Blood, is not young adult. It is definitely adult. It's her new adult fantasy series. So the fact that they always throw it into a young adult thing amazes me. But okay, it's supposed to be, yeah. So you would find it, like if you went to the bookstore, you would find it in adult section, not young adult section, but also her books would be more, I guess, new adult section, but you know, which is like the in-between between adult and young adult. But okay, that's fine, whatever. So yeah, so that, I can't remember her name. This was the angel. I don't remember his name either. And then we have our book. And then we have whatever's inside of this. It's sprayed edges, beautiful. I love it. I just love it. And we have the bookmark, of course. Thick as thieves, so we couldn't see it. So that's the bookmark. And what's this? This is the letter. And this is the leaflet for Fairyloot. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I just hit that crazily. Okay, so we have, all right, so now I'm going to show you the book, and it has beautiful sprayed red edges, which is a shimmer. I don't know if you can see the shimmer. Let's see, yes, okay. So this is the artwork for the book, or you know, the, what's it called? The I could just read it. It's the letter, the author's letter. Super long, and that's pretty. And so our featured book of the month is Master of One by Jada Jones and Danielle Bennett. It is filled with fae, sinister sorcery, and gallows humor. This ragtag crew of reluctant heroes has to take on a world-ending fae prophecy and a malicious royal plot. So this Fairyloot exclusive edition is signed by both authors, has a foil design on the hardcover, shimmery sprayed edges, and artwork on the reverse of the dust jacket by Bloody Dammit. It also comes with an author letter featuring artwork by the same artist, Bloody Dammit. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful. I love that. That's cute. And then, of course, the inside of the book. And then we have the map. And let's see, anything else? So it's told from multiple perspectives, because I think that's what it is. Rags. So I see at least 3 different names. So 3 different perspectives. Okay, so that's the book. This is what the inside of it looks like. Pretty nice. It's actually pretty cute. Like, he has white eyes. I can't see them. He has white eyes. It's very, very dark looking. Okay, and at the back it says, "Welcome to the Queen City, a terrible place to live, an excellent place to die." Why does this book look familiar? 6 fae relics, 1 daring thief, the score of a lifetime. I don't know, but this book looks very familiar. I don't know why. Like, I've seen it somewhere. I don't know where though. Oh, okay, so they're married. So they're a couple. So they are a couple, and that's very cute. Then they wrote this book together. That's very sweet. So life in Queen City isn't easy, especially for the 2-bit thief like Rags. When his latest score goes sideways, he's nabbed by a royal Sorcerer Morin the Last, who forces him to steal the 6 pieces of an immeasurable power ancient Fey relic. Rags is still determined to somehow get away unscathed until he discovers that the relic Morin is after our actual people. Okay, so it's the Fey Prince, the Queen's Guard, that's the deserter, a daughter, a sweet-natured prince, and a member of the underground resistance, and himself. There's no way they can let Morin enact his dark plans, but 6 misfits against an exceptionally wicked enemy doesn't just make for just generous odds. Luckily, Rags is not generous. He's smart and has a plan that might work. Okay, so that is Master of One. Can't wait to read it. I gotta figure out where I've seen this book. I don't know if I already have this book or what, but yeah. But thank you for watching. My battery's about to die, so I'm gonna leave it here. Peace out.